Hey, Stephen here with another DIY musician guide. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to list all of your upcoming shows on your Spotify, Bandcamp and Facebook pages using Songkick. If you're a gigging band, I think it's a no-brainer to list all of your shows where your fans might find them. So if we use a service like Songkick, we can really simplify that task because we just do it in one place there and it'll sync up to like the likes of Facebook, Spotify and Bandcamp. In addition to that, one thing I've not seen people do is actually listing their album releases or online shows or any other important dates. There's some really interesting opportunities there that people are just not doing. But let's go ahead and set a Songkick account up. But before that,
subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.
Sorry. Okay, we need to create a Songkick Tourbox account, so go over to tourbox.songkick.com to do that. Once on the site, click on the Get Started button and then choose Sign Up for free. Now you'll have the chance to sign up with either your Spotify, Facebook or email account, so it's up to you what you do there. You'll then be presented with a quick tour of some of the features Tourbox has to offer, but let's skip that for now. We're now asked to add our artists, so let's go ahead and do a search. Bear in mind, if you're trying to manage a popular band like the Rolling Stones, for example, you'll be hit with a verification request. I was really curious, I just really wanted to see what would happen. Can I manage the Rolling Stones? No. Okay, let's go ahead and search for our artists. If your artist already exists on Songkick, you'll have the chance to connect to the existing account by hitting the Start Managing button. If not, you can choose to add it as a new artist, making sure to follow the suggested guidelines. Once created, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can view some simple stats, create events or change settings for each artist. Let's click on the events link and then the add event button. You'll be asked to choose whether the event you're setting up is a concert or festival. Fill out all the details of your show, including other headliners, support artists, the date, opening times, what venue and tour name. For example, you can also schedule the announcement of the show, but once you're done, hit the Save Concert button right at the bottom. Once done, you'll get the chance to add ticket links, prices and sale dates. Should you need to cancel an event, just click on all events on the left menu and then click the bin. So if you click on the partner network option on the left menu, you'll see the many platforms Songkick Tourbox can integrate with. Let's go through them. Okay, if you click on the Spotify link, you'll find that you don't have to do anything. The dates you've added should appear within 24 hours. What's really great about this also is that the shows listed are geolocated to the user's location, so they'll only see events near where they're based. Okay, for Bandcamp, if we head over to our profile option of our Bandcamp page and scroll down, you come across an upcoming shows section. All we have to do is check the display upcoming shows box and we're done. And finally, Facebook. If we click the Facebook integration option, we can see that it's just simply a case of adding the Songkick tab app to our Facebook page and it'll automatically sync up shows, just like the other two options. And that's it, all of our shows listed on Songkick Tourbox. I find it really hard to say that. Will now sync up with Facebook, Spotify and Bandcamp. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, or until next week, I will see you later. Bye.